Ben, me and you stay in the front and back, and Jacob will be in the middle, and we pretty much have a good defense going.
So,
Alright.
good news and bad news. I
have my game
managed
just
to get Landon. Good news is I know where the Bracken will take our bodies. Bad news is that where we need to go, Bracken is.
Oh.
Watch out, it's coming straight for you.
Ben's yelling! Ben's yelling!
Ben! Ben!
Run!
Ben, follow our voice! Follow our voice! Who shot it? You freaking idiot! Who shot it?
The door. They're trapped in there. Wait, no, never run, never run. Jacob!
Watch out, I think that's
Jacob.
a slime. When you
It's a
go out
slime.
on the right.
Oh.
I don't know. We need to go check on Ben because he's yelling. And I don't know.
Dude, he's probably dead.
He's yelling. He's alive.
Oh, we can't go! Can't go!
Did you shut? I think Ben's trapped behind the door.
As long as he's safe. Maybe we can go around.
Watch out, here it comes. Something's coming.
Somebody's coming. It's a slime. It's a slime. Dude opens Ben's door. He's trapped behind the door. Bracken!
Run! Ben, where are you?
Exit here. Exit
Ben,
here.
come on! Let's go.
Bro, I barely
We're on our way
survived.
back. Ben got the power tools.
Alright, come on.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Dude, I was trapped in the same hallway with the Bracken. I was yelling at you guys to tell Sean to shut the door closest to me.
We only have
We
one
couldn't really hear
casualty.
you. That's actually surprising. Unless we all died of whatever creatures in the woods.
Wait, guys, if you hear something, be quiet. So I think some of them are chat requests in the chat.
Wait for Ben. Ben, come here. It's alright.
Thanks.
Okay, the ship's this way. Yeah, this way.
Crouch. Crouch.
I hear something, be careful. Running. Run! Oh! Oh, get in!
Get in.
Ben, come on!
Wait for Ben. Wait for Ben.
Ben
we can
died?
wait. We can wait.
Died.
Ben's dead. Ben's dead. Oh!
Yeah, he's dead. He's dead.
Go! Start the ship.
Close it. Did everyone?
Everyone's dead. Everyone's dead.
Close the door closest to me. Because the
Yeah.
Bracken was in the
I'm
same
gonna get
hallway.
another walkie. I'm gonna get another walkie for you.
Why does everyone always disappear? No matter where I am, everyone disappears all the time. Hey, who is that? Who's that?
Oh, it's me.
Here,
Where
slow
you-
down.
where are
I
you?
want to go with you because I have no clue where the entrance is.
Me neither. I'm just following this thing. It's over here, according. So how do we get to it? We have to get on this thing.
Wait, slow down. Don't do it.
Get
I
on
think
this
there's
thing.
I think there's another entrance somewhere. Hold on.
No, just jump onto this thing. Come on.
Yo!
Alright. Going in. This is static memoir.
Statics memoirs. Here, I gotta.
Oh, I see boy. Hey boy. I see.
What is that?
Guys, I can't see.
I'm on my way watching.
No, it's
you.
minus-
Trying to stay with all them. That way.
Great, where's
We're all grouped together.
Steam will affect it. Where's the thing?
Steam leak detected.
Where's the pipe?
Was that white eyes?
No.
Guys,
I can't see.
I might have just seen some white eyes.
Is there an enemy now?
Help.
Landon thinks he sees a bracket.
I swear I saw white eyes.
No,
or
there's
am I
no,
someone
there's no,
else?
there's no enemy.
There's a valve somewhere that we can turn.
Okay, guys, I'm at a door.
I'm here.
Where's the valve? We need to turn off.
Landon, we got separated.
No,
we need to look for the valve,
Caden.
There's a turret. There's a landmine. There's a landmine.
Where?
I heard one.
Hey, can we just go back to where we got the landmine somewhere?
We're lost in a gas leak and we think we heard a landmine, so we're trying not to die on it.
Ben,
I found the landmine.
I know Ben. Where are you?
I don't know.
Layden, follow my voice. Follow my voice.
I see a key right beside you, to the right of one of
Jacob,
you.
where's
Ben.
Jacob and Boy?
Look down. No, down here. Right behind you, Jacob.
Guys,
Look around. Where's the line?
Okay, I'm by the farm.
where's Jacob and Boy? They were with us.
Okay. Well, they go different paths. We probably all got lost.
What's that way?
Jacob's here.
You guys are about
Jacob.
Hello? Where
Hey,
are you
hey.
at?
to trade.
Jacob Nearest? Where are you? Are you around
What'd
the
you
corner?
say?
Oh, there you are. Oh, there's Jacob! Jacob!
Yo,
Yo! What's good?
I found a creepy thing.
Boys coming
I
back.
found an upstairs area that no one's been to yet.
What's happening? Who's coming? Who's coming?
Boy.
Oh, Boy's coming.
Are
This
you guys okay?
Let's go, boys.
Over.
Nah,
Yes.
it's a dead
We
end.
are all in a room upstairs. All four of us.
This is crazy.
Boy just came in. You guys all.
Is that everything?
We're all
Wait,
together.
exit. Wait, exit. Wait,
Yeah, dead end.
We gotta.
Wait,
Somebody
is
just
walkie-talkie
died?
metal? Guys, is walkie-talkie metal?
Probably.
No, it isn't.
Truck that.
I'm leaving my shovel here. If something comes attacks you, pick up the shovel and kill it. I don't know.
Okay. I should be good.
Who died?
Hey,
Who died?
somebody already died.
Behind you, run! Run! Somebody behind you, run!
Jacob's dead. Jacob's dead. Jacob's dead.
Wait, no, we got his body. We got his body. That's Boy.
That's
Wait,
boy.
Jacob's dead.
Oh my god.
Jacob's
Oh my
dead.
god. Jacob's dead. Wait, who brought boy? Wait,
What?
Landon's dead. Landon is also dead. We're leaving.
Is,
We're leaving.
is everybody
How
dead?
did they die?
Landon's dead. Boy's dead. It's dead. It's all like that. Yo, close
I'm
the
not
door.
going-
We're leaving. Close the door. Wait,
Keep
we're
the
not
whoopee cushion.
Well,
Keep the
ask
whoopee
him
cushion
first.
up.
It was his item that he found.
Bro, just settle.
Wait.
Oh.
Who died? Did Jacob die?
Yes. Remember what Jacob said? I'm not going near that thing again.
Get out.
I didn't mean to kill him. I just meant to hit him one time. I actually didn't mean to kill him.
Kill.
What did you?
Landon, I didn't mean to kill
Kill
him. I meant to
me.
hit him. I didn't even mean to kill him. I feel
Dead
so bad.
body
I'm
is that.
sorry.
Yo, throw him out. We don't want that crap. Uh-oh. Oh, yo.
Outside.
I didn't mean to kill him. I'm sorry, Landon.
Bro, you're so stupid.
I didn't mean
Dude,
to kill you.
I didn't know it was at its like.
Hey, we
maybe-
recovered my body at least, so thank you. We don't throw out bodies. If you throw out bodies, Sean, you get money for selling the bodies.
Pity.
Oh my god. Close the door. Close the door. It's inside. We're all dead. We're all dead. Boy. Boy's dead. What the freak?
Is it glitch?
What the? Should we just leave? Should we just leave?
Yes, leave. Leave. Leave.
Oh, we're leaving. We're leaving. We're leaving.
Leave. Is Ben dead?
I just spent like $100, but we're leaving.
Wait, get that body. Get that body. Pick it up. No. Pick it up.
Dang it, bro! I just spent like $100
Who's this?
on stuff.
I got Ben's. I got Ben's body.
Oh my gosh. What just happened? Start being honest.
See that? You don't have to tell me.
Leave. Follow me.
Spider on
We need
me!
to
Don't
run.
go that way!
Slime on us, Ben.
Guys, run this way.
Shut the door.
Spider.
That's right.
We're at dead end. Dead end.
Where do we go? Where do we go?
Guys, we
Oh, I
gotta.
can't see.
Stairs. The stairs in the room.
Guys, turn around. I'm turning around the guy's staircase.
Dude, we're not gonna make it out in time.
Yo, there's scrap in the corner of that room, guys.
Okay.
Oh no, we came from this way. We came from this way, man. These guys. Can I make this jump with the stick in my hand?
Yeah, I did with the end.
Let's go. Do you think we'll be able to get all this there before midnight? Oh!
We're fine.
It's a hoarder boat.
Fine.
Guys,
Stop
Don't touch it.
breathing
Just
like
don't touch it, guys. Just don't touch it. Just run away from it.
Oh, guys, exit.
It's coming back.
Exit.
Oh, thank God. I'm out of spring.
Right behind you.
we're out.
Boy's body.
It's
Where's his
right
body?
behind Jacob. It's Jacob.
Jacob's not out.
Sean, where's Boy's body?
No,
We're gonna
grab
get
this.
Boy
Grab this.
Boy's
Grab
with
this.
me.
Come
Landon,
on,
pick
Landon,
up
grab
this.
it.
Landon.
I thought you said he was dead.
Grab
Boy's
it.
with me.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, I don't want to be here when the dogs arrive.
Guys, stop
I
talking.
think they're
Stop
about to
talking. Stop
arrive.
talking. Stop talking.
Just be careful about the dogs.
Lois, no.
I'm not used to this map. I didn't know the exit was over here.
Stop talking, Landon. Stop talking, Landon. Stop. Crouch. Crouch.
Watch out, man.
Dude, I didn't find any. No, I didn't. I couldn't find it. I checked that whole hallway and I didn't see his body once.
Landon.
Sean, what is that?
What is that?
What is it?
Radar booster? Oh,
Wait. Is that?
sick.
What is it?
Ah,
He's
it's a
not
radar
here.
booster.
Wait, who got
Hold on,
a
I'm gonna
turtle?
do some research.
I want to go to Rend and Stormy.
Thank y'all for watching this video. I promised it a long time ago. It's taken a very long time to edit because there was so much footage and I didn't want to do it. If you notice, this is uploaded on April Fool's Day. Why? Because the April Fool's joke is I'm actually uploading a video because I don't do that. I'm probably going to make a part 2 where we go to the Hazard A planets because I think that would be pretty funny and interesting. I don't know if it'll be exactly after this footage. I don't know if I recorded it. But I will make a part 2 to this video, hopefully. I have a few other videos planned. One of the ones I wanted to do is a Helldivers video, which would be a lot of fun. Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all for watching, and I will see ya in the next video. Goodbye.